Cedric and welcome to Minecraft Pocket Edition, and we're going to make an car, and I am Mystery Guy and play. Done. Option. Hello, I am Mr. Guy. Watch my videos in YouTube. And we're going to make a car. First, we have to place some lime block and sticky piston and we make a mistake. Wheels and the block of quartz stair. Do you know that the block stairs is nakakatulong as helping us to work the car? Get that? It's so funny. Yuck! That's nice, yuck. And first, okay guys, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.